Hello boys and girls, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be unboxing another kit from GK Model, and this is going to be the 1/7 scale Ryza Ryza from Wonderful Works Ever Darkness. I am not familiar with this series, I'm not familiar with this character, but I saw it and it was in stock and it looked kind of cute, so I thought it's something different. We'll end up doing this. So without further ado, let's jump down the table, take a look at what comes in the package, and then we'll go from there. All right, so here we are, and as usual, big things come in little packages. Not a very big package. You can see this is W-3280. Again, this was originally a PVC figure, which they've ended up casting in resin. 1/7 scale Atelier Ryza Ryza, Ryza Stout from Wonderful Works Ever Darkness and The Secret Hideout. I haven't Googled this, I haven't looked it up, but it looked kind of cute. And I thought, well, it's something different. I'd pick it up. It's colorful. Pulling off the top. And again, I actually have not looked at anything in this package yet. I'm kind of hoping the eyes do not look like that. I'm hoping that's something with the picture. Okay, so the eyes are right there. All right, that does not look as bad. I was like, oh, those are horrible eyes, horrible eyes. But we'll take a look at this in a second. It has just a couple of water slides and then probably your pictures and parts layout. As usual with PVC recast, there are not any instructions with them. You get one baggie, two baggies, three baggies, four baggies, five baggies, and a cute little base. Pushing all that stuff to the side, we're going to take a look here. If I can get the package open. Rawr. Now I'm going to leave the water slides in there. We're just going to stick that into the box. As usual, you get a sheet of 4 pictures. I'm sure you can find better pictures online. But yeah, I just kind of like the pose, and it was just kind of a cute figure that I thought I would end up doing for the cabinet. You do get a part layout. That way you can make sure you have everything. And there are a lot of little parts with this. The first thing we're going to take a look at is the base. All right, so here we are, and you do have texture. It's supposed to look like grass and maybe like a walk path. You do have pegs for the feet here, and I don't remember. I think there's supposed to be some bushes or something that end up pegging into here. But there is the base. First baggie we open up is going to have the brassiere section, which actually looks like it's made up of 3 pieces. So that is kind of interesting, and I do like the fact that they put that together. I don't know if they preheat or pre-warm these so everything goes together. But that is definitely an interesting fitment. So you'll end up, it is completely possible to paint this separately and then put it together. So you end up with that section, and then this section is going to kind of wiggle in there, kind of snap in. You will probably want to heat these a little bit to get them to fit into the, because there are kind of grooves in the boob section. And then you have straps where I'm pretty sure there's pieces for like the bra straps or brassiere straps end up going across the back and down the back, but very cute. Next baggie we end up opening up, you end up with the legs, and you do have kind of a mold line that runs across here, but it doesn't seem to obscure any details. And actually I'm not even sure that that's not even a mold line, that's part of the stocking. So if they put the mold line across the stocking line, that is actually a really smart and great idea. Not really anything across the back. You do get her little belly button section, and the pour mark was up on there. It's going to fit in just like that. And I think we have her short section, which should, I don't know how it'll fit because it does have a little bit of the wedge on there, but go together just like that. You get her thighs, and she's got some thick thighs. Like for a little skinny girl, she's got some thick thighs. But you get 2 thighs. Looks like you get a rock and a bush. You get her little beret hat. The next baggie we open up, and this is going to be her jacket, and it is very nice. So this actually will end up going, don't want to break anything, but I think it fits up underneath her arms, and we may end up having to heat that up a little bit. And I think there's some tabs on here. But this will end up fitting onto her. I love the flow of that though. Next baggie we end up opening up. Looks like we get some belts, some more belts. This looks like a part of the her jacket or cloak. You get her face with a very happy smile on there. You get some of her hair, which I think, so you get some of her hair, and her hair is in it is in sections here. So you end up with that goes to there. And I think there's another section of hair over there. Here's part of her spear thing. And then her face is going to go on just like that. And then we have sections of hair that are going to go on there. And then her beret is going to go on just like that. I love when they do the layering like this. And then last but not least, I am not opening these up because I do not want to lose all the little pieces, but you do get some clear vials, clear jars that you can paint or tint however you choose to do that. For, I don't know if they're potions, medications, I don't know what they are, but you get those. And then this baggie here, you get the handle for her spear, looks like the spear tip, pieces of her hair, and sections of her arms. But again, I don't want to pop these out yet because I'm not ready to build her, and I don't want to lose or misplace any of these pieces. Here are all our parts. This has 95, count them, 95 parts in this little kit. Like, that is super crazy of how many little parts that there are that make up this kit. It should be a lot of fun. Stay tuned, definitely stay tuned. We're going to end up at some point clipping this up, putting it together. I will get a coat of primer on there so that it is filmable. We'll do a turnaround. I'll let you know any of my little quirks I end up finding, any broken pieces, anything like that in a later video. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like this, you have no choice. They're coming anyway. But hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as usual, I will see you guys all in the next video. Peace.